Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're going to learn English conversations for hotel booking.
Yes, and this is a super useful topic for travelers. Many people know basic English, but when they reach a hotel, they suddenly become nervous.
That's true. Sometimes your brain stops working the moment the receptionist says, "How can I help you?"
Exactly. So today, we'll help you speak simple and natural English confidently at a hotel.
We'll cover booking a room, check-in, asking questions, hotel problems, and common mistakes.
And if you enjoy learning English in a fun and easy way, subscribe to Master English Channel, like this video, and comment below your dream country to visit.
All right, Sarah, let's start with the most common hotel situation.
Imagine you walk into a hotel and go to the reception desk.
The receptionist may say, "Good evening, how can I help you?"
And you can reply, "I'd like to book a room."
Very polite and natural English.
Another common sentence is, "I have a reservation."
Reservation means you already booked the room online or by phone.
Then the receptionist may ask, "What name is the reservation under?"
That means which name was used for the booking.
You can answer, "It's under Emma John."
Or the reservation is under Daniel Smith.
Very common hotel English.
Now let's talk about room types.
The receptionist may ask, "Would you like a single room or a double room?"
Single room means one person.
And double room means two people.
Another useful question is, how much is the room per night?
Per night means the price for one night.
Example, how much is the room per night?
It's $100 per night.
Sarah, many learners make funny mistakes here.
Oh, yes. Some people say, "What is the price of one day?"
People will understand, but it sounds unnatural.
Native speakers usually say, "How much is it per night?"
Much smoother English.
Then the receptionist may ask, "How many nights will you stay?"
You can answer, "I'll stay for 3 nights.
Or just one night.
Another common question, would you like breakfast included?
Included means breakfast comes with the room.
You can answer,
"Yes, please," or "No, thank you." All right, Daniel, let's do a real-life hotel conversation.
Sounds good. I'll be the receptionist.
And I'll be the guest.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I'd like to book a room.
Sure. How many nights will you stay?
2 nights.
Would you like a single room or a double room?
A double room, please.
Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please.
Great. May I see your passport?
Sure. Here it is.
Perfect.
Very simple conversation.
And very realistic.
Now, let's learn some useful hotel vocabulary.
First word, reception.
Reception means the front desk area in a hotel.
Next word, check-in.
Check-in means arriving and getting your room officially.
Opposite word, check out.
Check-out means leaving the hotel.
Another useful phrase, room service.
That means food or services delivered to your room.
Honestly, room service feels amazing after a long flight.
Especially when you're tired and don't want to leave the room.
And suddenly you start ordering food like a king.
Exactly.
Another useful sentence is, can I have the Wi-Fi password?
One of the most important travel questions today.
Some people ask for Wi-Fi before they even ask for water.
Priorities.
The receptionist may answer, the Wi-Fi password is written on the card.
Another useful question. What time is checkout?
Example answer. Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Now let's talk about hotel problems.
Very important section.
Suppose something is wrong with your room.
You can say, "The air conditioner is not working."
Or, "There's no hot water."
Another useful sentence, "The room is too noisy."
Very common hotel problem.
Especially if someone in the next room is watching TV at full volume.
Or talking loudly at 2 a.m.
That's painful.
Another polite sentence is, "Could someone help me with my luggage?"
Very natural and polite English.
Daniel, what if someone wants a cheaper room?
Then they can ask, "Do you have a cheaper room available?"
Very practical sentence.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I want one room.
It's understandable, but more polite English is, I'd like to book a room.
Much better.
Mistake number 2, give me Wi-Fi password.
That sounds rude.
Better sentence, can I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
Polite English is important in hotels because you are speaking to staff professionally.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's do one final real-life conversation.
Great idea.
Hello, I have a reservation under Sara.
Welcome. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. You booked a double room for 2 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
Breakfast is included and checkout is at 12 p.m.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
See? Hotel English is actually very simple.
You don't need difficult vocabulary.
You just need clear and confident English.
Exactly.
If this podcast helped you, subscribe to Master English channel.
Like this video and comment below. Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
And tell us what English topic you want next.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you in the next episode of Master English channel.
Take care and keep practicing your English every day.